Hey guys, it's shawnshawn here, about ready to do the March painting giveaway. Are you guys ready? Last month we did 40 painting giveaway. What do you think it's going to be this month? Let's go check it out, guys. Do you guys want a large painting? Who wants those small paintings? Let's do a large painting. So, for the painting, we're going to be doing this huge painting. Which you can see, that's a 22 by 48, which is basically 2 arm lengths. That's pretty big, right? How about something bigger? Let's do something big. So, the painting we'll give away is this huge 48 by 48 painting. Let's get a closer look, guys. I think it's upside down. No, it's not upside down. The title's upside down, but on the back. This is Riders of the Storm. Let's go a little higher here. Some more of the painting. Whoa. So this painting is worth $53.45. It's pretty good. So we're gonna be doing this until 3:26 midnight. You can enter to win, and the winners will be chosen on 3/27/6:45 by video on Facebook or YouTube. You know what? Is one painting enough? Why don't we do 2 paintings? Our next painting will give away also 48 by 48. Let's see what this one looks like. This is one of my geometric paintings. It's called The Last Stand on the Hill. Let me go a little higher. Go a little higher. As you can tell, that's 48 by 48 inches, 4 feet by 4 feet tall. Now you will have to, this is another $5,345 painting. So the total for the giveaway, $10,690. Can you believe that? Is that crazy or what? Now this will come rolled, so you definitely want to have a budget for stretching it. So that's probably $200-300 to stretch this. That's the cheapest way for me to send it. It's very expensive to send it fully stretched, so I'm going to roll it up. Make sure you use your real email. Some people will use fake emails. They don't respond, and then they get disqualified. It seems like every contest there's someone winning $500 or so, and they lose because they don't respond to email. It's just totally crazy. But respond by 3:26 to enter. Email name, that's it. That's all the way up to midnight EST. And the next day we'll be announcing 6:45 EST Eastern Standard Time at live, and the contest is worth $10,690. There's 2 winners, one each one of the paintings. So hope you guys good luck, and hope to see you there on 3/27. See who wins.